Hello and welcome to this KNX product training. In this training, I'm going to teach you how to configure the KNX Keypad ITR3 and the Dimmer Actuator ITR501 from the Interra manufacturers in ETS. By the way, my name is Amir. I'm a KNX tutor and I hope to provide you the key information in this course. Okay, what is our goal? Our goal is to use the KNX Keypad and KNX Dimmer Actuators to provide the control of the light continuously between 0 to 100%. This is the main goal. We have the KNX Keypad. We want to assign the button number 7 for the dimmer option. We have the long and short operation according to the dimming standard in KNX. So with long operation we increase and decrease the light, amount of light, and with short operation we switch on and off the light. So this is the switch actuator. We want to use the channel 1. As you see in channel 1, we are connected to the line and neutral to the city, and we have the output from it. So how we wire it? The wire it is like you see in the figure. The load or lamp, one side is connected to the output from the dimmer actuator analog output, and one side is connected to the neutral. But for each channel, in this specific product, we should provide line and neutral from the city. But maybe in other products from other manufacturers, the wiring may be a bit different. So we go for the parameterization. First of all, we go for the dimmer actuator. There is no need to do so much in parameterization in dimmer actuator because by default the needed group objects are here. For channel A, the switch on and off, status switch on and off, relative dim, 4-bit, brightness value, absolute value 1 byte is provided. Only I can see that 1 byte status can be added. So I go to channel A. In dimming part, I activate the feedback of brightness value. That's it. So in this case, we have all needed group objects. From the I switch ITR3 button 7, we go for it. Assign button 7 to dimming option. And when we assign it, we make sure that we have it with one button. So with one button we want to control it. Great. So here the parameterization is finalized, because here also we can see for the button number 7 we have the switching, feedback of on off, and dimming, 4-bit relative dimming is provided automatically, and it's generated according to our changes in parameters. So for group address, I go and add the new middle group address according to the functions. It's light dimming. For light dimming, we should add the subgroup addresses. Already I have subgroup addresses, so I can provide it. I can paste here. This is a 5 group address. Of course, for dimmer, 2 is enough. Switch on and off is minimum, not enough. Minimum switch on and off, and 4-bit dimming, but we can make it much more complete. So for control switch on and off, from the keypad or sensor we have the switching, and from the dimmer actuator we have switch. So we make the link between sensor and actuator. In relative dim, from actuator relative dim, from the keypad is dimming. For absolute, we only place the group objects from the actuator side. Later in touch panel configuration we use it. For status on off, we can use the status on off here from the actuator side, and in keypad we can use it as a feedback on off. Status light, this is the percentage status of the dimming. We only link it from the Dimmer Actuator. Later on we will use it in the touch panel and server configuration. So yes, these 5 group addresses is finalized. We can do the partial download and do the dimming things. So by the way, thank you for your attention. My name is Amir. I'm a KNX tutor. You can contact me with these email addresses, info@scentr.ir. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And see you tomorrow. See you in the next trainings. Thanks.